So up until a few years ago, Arvada was not even on the map for investors. There was just so many better places to invest in, but that has changed. Arvada is now, in our estimation, one of the top 3 cities in the Metro Denver area to look at to invest in. And so let me give you a couple ideas on why, as well as some cons about investing in an area. But number one, as a benefit, is future price appreciation. See, Arvada is so close to Denver, but the prices haven't popped there yet like they have in some of the surrounding areas. So you can get pretty good bang for your buck when you invest in the Arvada area. Now it's starting to come up, so prices are definitely going up there, but you can still get a lot for your money as compared to the Denver area. But Arvada is really competing now with some of those Denver area residents. So you are, I believe, able to get some good future price appreciation in there. Second is local amenities. Arvada has done a fabulous job with this, with redevelopment, with bringing in their new downtown area, with attracting people. The amenities they have now in the Arvada area seriously are starting to compete with Denver downtown, and that's hard to even grasp if you've been in this area for a long period of time, because Arvada just hasn't done that. But they've really redeveloped well, and the local amenities are drawing in young people, it's drawing in the urban crowd, it's drawing in families, it's drawing in all wide ranges of individuals, which is exactly what you want to see as an investor. Third, they've got the second largest school district in Colorado. Now their school quality is a little bit lower than we would frankly like to see, but the size of the district means that families, because what this means is families get attracted to it. Families want to raise their kids in those schools, which brings in more families, more residents who are longer term and who stick around in place. So I think the quality of education is on Arvada's radar to increase that, because they know that's a big deal, but I think that's a pro. Another pro is low crime. Arvada nationally as well as statewide has a lower than average crime rate. And the last benefit is their downtown redevelopment. And this is where it all started. This is where it all started for Arvada when they went in and they put in, I don't know how much, but it had to be a lot of money in the downtown redevelopment district. If you haven't been through there, it is impressive. As I said, it is a destination place now, and it never has been in the past. People will travel from downtown Denver to downtown Arvada because it has an ambiance to it. It's a cultural scene now. People want to go there. And that downtown redevelopment is what started all this. It's what's drawing people in, and people are going to Arvada either just for the day, for lunch, or moving there from other municipalities because it is such an attraction and such a draw. Secondarily to downtown Denver. Downtown Denver is still number 1, but I think Arvada is the number 2 draw destination as it relates to their redevelopment area. Other cities are looking at Arvada trying to figure out how they did it. Now, there's a couple downsides. Number 1 is affordability. As I said, downtown Arvada is still lower priced than Denver, but prices are creeping up, and they're starting to catch up because people are catching on that it's a very attractive place to be. So it's not cheap. It's affordable, but it's not cheap. But affordability, I think, is going to be an issue as more and more people come in and are attracted, because it's a small geographic area. There's not a lot of room for the growth. Another great reason to be in there as an investor, but it's there, it's surrounded on all sides. Your cap rate's a little bit lower. Your cap rate is simply your investor's rate of return. Because this is an established area, you don't get as much bang for your buck on the rental rate as you would in some lower priced up and coming cities. But the upside of that is there's less risk in the area. But because of the lower risk, you're going to get a lower cap rate, a lower rate of return on your investment dollars in Arvada. Third, their public education is rated a little bit lower. Now, I think this will improve, but we're looking for some negatives here. It's not a big negative, but it's something just to be aware of. So we absolutely love Arvada. We give Arvada an A-. If you're an investor, from the investor standpoint, if you're an investor, and we ourselves as well, I would strongly consider the Arvada area, especially as it relates to single-family homes. I think a single-family home in the Arvada area is a great investment right now. But if you have questions on that, let us know. We'd love to be able to provide you with more information and help you make a wise investment decision.